Welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles, adventure, and unforgettable memories. If you are a travel lover, this country should be on the top of your bucket list. Just 2 hours from Bangkok, Pattaya is one of the most popular coastal destinations in Thailand. Whether you are here to relax on the beach or dive into water sports like parasailing and jet skiing, this city delivers it all. Friends, today I am showing you one of the best resort in Pattaya, the Rabbit Resort. So friends, start and watch my video.
Come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening?
Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, we are taking you to a hidden tropical paradise in Pattaya, the beautiful and peaceful Rabbit Resort. Pattaya is a bustling coastal city on the Gulf of Thailand, about 150 kilometers southeast of Bangkok, roughly a 2-hour drive. Originally a quiet fishing village, it rose to prominence during the Vietnam War as a popular R&R destination for US servicemen. Walking Street, the neon heart of nightlife, packed with bars, clubs, go-go shows, seafood stalls, and live music. Be aware it's known worldwide as a red light district too. Getting around, affordable bark buses Santos run major routes for till 10 motorbike taxis and car rentals are also widely available. Recommended stay time, a weekend trip, 2 nights, gives a good taste, though many travelers return for longer stays. Today we are discussing about the most beautiful and comfortable resort in Pattaya, the Rabbit Resort. Viewers, let's go. Located right on Dongatan Beach, Rabbit Resort is a family-owned boutique resort that offers you a cozy and luxurious stay, far from the noise of central Pattaya but close enough to enjoy everything the city has to offer. The moment you walk in, you are greeted by traditional Thai architecture, surrounded by greenery, colorful flowers, and tall coconut trees. Each cottage or villa has a warm, homely vibe perfect for couples, families, or even solo traveler. Rooms are spacious, super clean, and decorated with love. From wooden floors to handmade furnishings, everything here feels natural and elegant. You'll get modern amenities, free Wi-Fi, and plenty of comfort.
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on.
Need to relax? Take a dip in the pool or just chill by the sunbeds with a drink. The atmosphere is quiet and peaceful, perfect for recharging your soul.
Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Never really know what's going on. And
Step outside and you are right on Dogatan Beach, one of the cleanest and most peaceful beaches in Pattaya. Perfect for morning walks, sunsets, or just sitting back and watching the waves roll in. Every morning, you can enjoy a fresh breakfast with a mix of Thai and Western options. And yes, the coffee is strong and satisfying. What makes Rabbit Resort truly special is the hospitality. The staff are warm, friendly, and always ready to help. You will feel like a guest, not just a customer. If you are planning a peaceful stay in Pattaya with nature, comfort, and Thai charm, Rabbit Resort is highly recommended. We absolutely loved it here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and let us know in the comments, would you stay at Rabbit Resort?
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just